Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brother, there is one of my friends, she has embraced Islam last year. Because of some reason she left her home because of the opposition by her family. Right now she is staying with the non-Muslim girls. So she is continuously, alhamdulillah, doing the dawah work with them. And she is afraid that on the day of judgment she will have to answer Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that have you not convey my message to others. And she is afraid of that because continuously she is, in spite of doing dawah to them, they are not giving her any kind of a response. So could you please answer to her question?
The sister posed the question that one of the sisters, she accepted Islam. And since the time she accepted Islam, she is conveying the message of Islam to non-Muslim friends, but there is no response. So will she be held responsible on the day of judgment? The reply is given in the Quran in Surah Ghashiyah, chapter number 88, verse number 21, where Allah says, فَذَكِّرْ إِنَّمَا أَنْتَ مُذَكِّرٌ. Allah tells the Prophet, your job is to deliver the message. Converting hearts, giving hidayah is in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So even to the Prophet, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not give the right or the ability to give hidayah. That's in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And the moment this verse was revealed, Hazrat Bilal, he laughed. Where is the hadith? He laughed. The one more sahaba was, why did you laugh? So he said, good, the hidayah is in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Otherwise I would have been last in the list. But naturally, people prefer giving hidayah to their close relatives, to their clans, to the kings, if it was in their hands. So he laughed, he said, this is good in Islam, that I would have been down the list. Hazrat Bilal being a black Hafsi Abyssinian. So alhamdulillah, so sister, the job of a Muslim is to convey the message. Giving hidayah in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you do dawah correctly, you'll get a sawab, irrespective whether the non-Muslim accepts Islam or not. There's no thumb rule that you have to revert someone. Yes, but if you are the zariya, if you are the cause for reverting a non-Muslim to Islam, you do get various sawab, alhamdulillah. But as far as dawah is concerned, sister, the duty is to convey the message. So if you have conveyed the message on the day of judgment, surely you can say, you can be witness that I have done my job. Hidayah in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So therefore basic thing is doing dawah. But as far as possible, you should even convey in the best way, in the way Allah and His Rasulullah showed, so that inshallah, you at least get maximum sawab, sister. And inshallah, Allah will give you results also. And irrespective whether that non-Muslim accepts or not, you have to continue and convey to others also. That is the role of a Muslim. Hope that answers the question, sister.